Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and prestige. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and elegantly crafted living area that blends modern technology with timeless sophistication. The interior showcases premium semi-aniline leather seating, hand-finished wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that creates a first-class atmosphere. The living space features a large OLED display, a 3D surround sound system, and an expansive panoramic window that floods the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fitted with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, built-in espresso machine, and a temperature-controlled wine cabinet. The bedroom features a plush king-size bed with Cadillac's magnetic ride comfort system, while the ensuite bathroom is designed with marble-inspired surfaces, rainfall shower, and luxury fixtures, ensuring a true home-away-from-home experience. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome embodies sophistication and power. Its sculpted, aerodynamic silhouette carries Cadillac's signature design language, complete with vertical LED lighting, a bold chrome-accented grille, and metallic paint that radiates elegance. The large motorized awning extends effortlessly, creating a luxurious outdoor lounge space. The polished alloy wheels, along with the illuminated Cadillac crest, reinforce its premium status. Built on a lightweight yet durable chassis, this motorhome ensures stability without compromising maneuverability. Every exterior detail has been engineered to stand out, making this vehicle a rolling symbol of Cadillac luxury. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is equipped with a next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a 5.5-liter twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors for an impressive 750 horsepower. This setup delivers smooth, quiet performance on the highway while offering remarkable efficiency for its size. Cadillac's magnetic ride control suspension ensures an exceptionally smooth ride across any terrain. The intelligent 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, adapting to driving conditions instantly. To complement its power, the Cadillac Motorhome integrates advanced Super Cruise technology, allowing hands-free driving on compatible highways, along with a full suite of driver assist systems to make navigating tight spaces effortless. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is a high-end product and comes with a price tag that reflects its luxury status. Starting at around $600,000, it caters to those who demand both performance and refinement. The cost includes Cadillac's bespoke design options, world-class craftsmanship, and advanced hybrid technology. For buyers, this isn't just the purchase of a vehicle, it's the acquisition of a luxury lifestyle on wheels, embodying everything Cadillac stands for. To sum up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome represents a perfect fusion of elegance, performance, and modern innovation. It delivers an experience that few competitors can match, redefining what luxury travel truly means. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country journey or seeking the ultimate statement of prestige, the Cadillac Motorhome rises above expectations. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.